Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the moon and a star, so let's get started. To draw the moon, I'm going to use my IKEA cup as my circle template. So I'm going to leave some space about right here. So I'm just going to start about, say, right here, and then I'm just going to go all the way around. So you don't have to use a circle template, it's just I'm drawing kind of big, so I want it nice and round. So about right there is where I'm going to stop. I'm just going to leave myself a little bit of room right there. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to come in here and just round it off a little bit on both sides. And I'm just going to come in, bring it in. And then about, say, right here, towards the, a little bit below the center, I'm just going to give the moon a little nose. It's all up to you if you want to or not. If you want to, just bring out a little curve and then go back in to connect it. There. Okay, so I got my moon in. Now let's bring the moon to life by giving it a, right here in this area. I'm just going to draw a circle. First, I'm draw so cute eyes. Make it nice and cute, and then let's bring in some highlights. So before we put in the highlights, come to the right here and we're just going to draw a curve on that side towards the bottom, so it's at a slant, and then come in here and we're going to draw a circle and another circle and shade in the top. And the lines right here at the bottom. So they're slanting inwards this way. And then come up here, we're just going to draw a slight curve right on top of the eye. And then about, say, right here, let's give the moon a smile. So come about right here and just bring a curve up and cap it off. There. So now to draw the cute little star right next to the moon, we're going to come into this area right here. And so I'm going to start, say, about right here. And this is going to be my center of my star. So I'm just giving myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to bring down curves. So it's going to be a nice, soft, fat star. And then the 2 points, both sides, and then bring it in. So same thing on here. So you just want to make sure you bring it in at the same level on the other side and continuing this curve. So right there, and then you want to find the center, so make sure you come back to the center right here. So about right here, I'm just going to come down on both sides and then find my center, so about right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. Oops. A little off. Nothing we can't fix, right? Okay, so now we have our cute little star in. Let's bring the star to life. So we're coming in here with some really happy eyes, so 2 curves, because I don't have much space. So I'm just going to give it these happy curved eyes, and then a sweet smile in the center. And that's about it. If you wanted to add some clouds, you can go ahead to all around it and add some sparkle right here for the shiny star. So there, the moon and a cute little star. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.